We are approaching the end of another busy week of European soccer action, which has seen more memorable UEFA Champions League and Europa League moments such as Paris Saint-Germain's win against the odds away at Bayern Munich and Slavia Prague's late equalizer against Arsenal. More of that to come next week after another packed weekend of action across the continent. But what has been happening outside of what we have seen on the pitch? As always, here is a roundup of the best stories away from the action, the stories you might have missed. Official statement: La Liga report Valencia CF have reacted angrily over La Liga's claims that not every word directed towards Mukhtar Diakhaby from Cadiz CF's Havan Kala in the 28th minute of last weekend's clash can be confirmed. The fact that no proof has been found does not mean that the matter did not occur, read Los Che's official statement. Valencia wish to highlight that La Liga have carried out their own investigation, but that the club have by no means changed our opinion on what occurred in the game. The Valencian club maintain their full support of Diakhaby and wish to see a change and an appropriate reaction to such a serious incident and to see moves to change regulations and attitudes in future. The 34-year-old Czech Republic international missed the 1-1 quarterfinal first leg draw away at Arsenal earlier this week but had also picked up a knock while on international duty last month. Official: PSG's Neymar suspended for 2 matches after his red card vs Lille with 1 game in suspended ban. Paris Saint-Germain superstar Neymar will miss this weekend's clash with RC Strasbourg Alsace and next week's meeting with Saint-Etienne after being banned for 2 matches with a possible third in suspended sentence after his dismissal late in last week's 1-0 home loss in Ligue 1 to Lille OSC. Bayern Munich sporting director Hasan Salihamidzic has confirmed that Jerome Boateng will leave the German Giants at the end of the season when his contract comes to an end after a decade of success at Allianz Arena after joining from Manchester City back in 2011. Comunicato: the 7th of April 2021. Rome is preparing to welcome supporters for the summer's European Championship while Italian football continues to deal with a major COVID-19 outbreak, with SS Lazio coach Simone Inzaghi the latest Serie A figure to have tested positive after a clutch of Europe-based Azzurri stars. Aston Villa manager Dean Smith has confirmed that talismanic Jack Grealish has suffered a setback in his return from injury that is likely to set him back a couple of weeks, which makes it less likely that the captain returns before the end of the season and could also harm his Euro hopes. AC Milan and Sweden superstar Zlatan Ibrahimovic has landed a role in Guillaume Canet's upcoming Asterix and Obelix movie, which is scheduled for 2022 and will also star the likes of Vincent Cassel and Mario Cotillard, with the 39-year-old confirmed as the character Antivirus. Youssoufa Moukoko will be sidelined for the remainder of the season with a ligament injury in his foot. It has been a disappointing season so far for Borussia Dortmund, and their campaign took a turn for the worse when 16-year-old sensation Youssoufa Moukoko was ruled out for the remainder of this term with a foot injury suffered while on under-21 duty for Germany. Antonio Mateo Lahoz will not referee this weekend's Clásico and will be replaced by Jesus Gil Manzano after the former picked up a muscle injury, having overseen PSG's 3-2 win away at Bayern Munich in the Champions League at a snowy Allianz Arena on Wednesday that saw multiple players pick up injuries. Dijon FCO are currently on an 11-match losing streak in Ligue 1 and travel to impressive as Monaco this weekend, knowing that a 12th straight defeat will equal a record set by CA Paris back in January of 1934 for the most French top-flight losses in a row.